In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious cinnamon fry bread cookie recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2½ cups of flour, ½ cup of sugar, ¼ cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 stick of butter, ¼ teaspoon of cream of tartar, ¼ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. For the frosting, you'll need 4 tablespoons of butter, ½ cup of powdered sugar, ¼ teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. In a bowl, we're going to mash the butter. Slowly add in the sugar and mix until completely combined. Add in the brown sugar and continue to mix. Add 1 egg. Add in half of the vanilla extract and mix until everything is completely combined. Slowly add in the flour and mix until everything is combined. Add in the 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, baking powder, cream of tartar, and the salt, and mix until a smooth dough forms and there are no lumps left. We're going to scoop out even amounts of the dough into an ice cream scoop, and we're going to use the back of a spoon to flatten it all down. And then we're going to place the dough onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Place these in the fridge for 10 minutes. Use a spoon to drizzle the condensed milk on top of each of the cookies. Bake in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once out of the oven, let the cookies cool completely. In a bowl, we're going to add in the butter and we're going to mash it together. Add in the cinnamon and the vanilla extract and mix. Slowly add in the powdered sugar and mix until there's no clumps left. Scoop a little bit of the frosting onto top of each of the cooled cookies. Our cinnamon fry bread cookies are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.